In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a check using your phone with the Bank of America app. Whether you're at home, work, or on the go, it's incredibly convenient to handle your banking needs right from your phone. Let's walk through it together, step by step, to ensure you know exactly what to do. To get started, reach for your phone and open the Bank of America mobile banking app. Once the app is open, you will need to sign in using your online ID and passcode. This ensures that your banking details are secure and private, so make sure your credentials are entered correctly. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Look for the option labeled Transfer a Zelle a Deposit. Tap on this option, and from the choices that appear, select Deposit Checks. This will take you to the section where you can manage your check deposits. Next, you'll need to choose the account where you want your funds deposited. You might have multiple accounts, such as a checking account or a savings account, so make sure you select the correct one. This is important because it determines where your funds will become accessible after the deposit. Now it's time to enter the amount. You'll need to type in the exact dollar amount as it appears on the check. Accuracy here is crucial. You don't want any discrepancies that might delay the processing time. Double check the amount you've entered to ensure it matches the check exactly before proceeding. It's now time to take photos of the check. Lay the check flat on a well-lit surface, making sure all four corners are visible in the frame. First, capture the front of the check, then flip it over to the back side. Before snapping a picture, endorse the check by signing it and inscribing "For mobile deposit only at Bank of America." This endorsement is a necessary security measure to protect your deposit. Once you've taken clear photos of both sides of the check, it's time to review the deposit details one last time. Make sure everything, from the selected account to the amount and the check images, looks correct. This prevents any errors and ensures a smooth transaction. When you're confident everything is in order, go ahead and tap Submit Deposit. The app will send your deposit for processing and you'll receive an on-screen confirmation. Often, an email receipt will also be sent to your registered email account for your records. Depositing a check has never been easier, and now you're all set. You've successfully deposited your check using the Bank of America mobile app. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances seamlessly and swiftly from your smartphone. Thank you for joining me, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to make your banking experience even more efficient.